Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for sure this is my new video. In my Instagram story I made a quiz whether people will I asked them to help me whether if I should make an TikTok style video tutorial or aesthetic video tutorial, and surprisingly people choose aesthetic video more, so here it is. Let's open it. At first I also think that maybe I better show you the whole process, but I think it would be too long and too complicated to understand, so I would just show the finished craft like this, and I'm just gonna explain the steps. Okay, first step is to add this black layer, like very plain, no filter, no adjustment, nothing, just this black solid color for certain duration. Here I only make 10 seconds, I don't want to make a long video like that. Okay, when you are done with this, then you can add your image. This kind of image, this is what it looks like after I add some effect, so don't be surprised why it looks so different here. Ding. This is like the original looks. You can choose to just make it being like static one image from 0 to 10 seconds here like mine, or you can make it chops to 3 like this. 1, 2 and 3. Why 3? Because you can play in this animation. If you can know this, these 3 have different animation look. The enter, the out, the in and out, and in and out. Oh, sorry, this one doesn't have out because it's the end of the video and maybe it's not good to make an out here. Okay, next you can add effects. Here I added a bunch of effects like this one and this one. The thing you need to do is usually just the alpha and the settings. Usually for many of them that's what I adjusted, except for the star filter. What is this for? This is the very essential one because it adds that starry kind of filter, okay, like what you used to see in an aesthetic video, and that's really cool and very matching with the image I use. It's a starry night below the cable in a big city, I guess so. And after you're done adding this bunch of filter, you can add yellow. This is for filtering the video so it look like more have the aesthetic vibe and the retro vibe after you add just a lot of effect here. Just adjust this alpha again, 10 or below, but don't do below, it's never good, but don't make it like, or maybe you can try to make it up to 15, it's still good, but don't be up again because that will be too much. Maybe something like this. Oh, sorry, it looks better, I guess. Okay, good. This will be down. Okay, nice. And then that's it for the video. I'm going to looking for the music now.